In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google business profile name. If you need to update the name of your business on Google, the process is fairly simple, but it is important to do it carefully. Google wants the name on your profile to match your real-world business name, so making accurate changes helps avoid delays, edits being rejected, or even profile issues. To begin, sign in to the Google account that manages your business profile. Make sure you are using the correct account, because if you log into a different one, you may not see the business listing you need to edit. Once you're signed in, open your Google Business Profile Manager in your web browser. You can also do this in the Google Maps mobile app, but in this walkthrough, we're focusing on the computer method for clarity. After you enter the dashboard, click on the business you want to update. This is especially important if you manage more than one location or listing, since you'll want to make sure you are editing the correct profile. Next, click on Edit Profile. This is where you can update the key details that appear publicly on your business profile. Inside the profile editing area, go to Business Information, then select Business Name. You should now see the current business name field where the existing name is listed. Carefully enter your new business name. A good tip here is to use your actual real-world business name exactly as it appears on your storefront, website, or official branding. Try not to add extra keywords, locations, or promotional phrases unless they are genuinely part of the legal or publicly used business name. Keeping the name accurate and consistent gives you the best chance of having the change accepted smoothly. When you've entered the updated name, click Save. At that point, Google will process the change. In some cases, the update may appear quickly, while in others, Google may review it before publishing it live. It's also possible that Google may ask you to re-verify your business profile after the name change. If that happens, just follow the verification instructions provided in your account. That's really all there is to it. The main thing to remember is to update the name directly in your dashboard, use the correct managing account, and make sure the new name reflects your actual business identity. If you follow those steps carefully, you can change your Google business profile name safely and reduce the risk of complications.